Hello and good morning to everyone. Hope student you are well at home and safe. Now we bring you the third video of chapter 3 valuation of goodwill. We have done two methods. One is simple average method and another is weighted average method. Hope you all have understood that. Now we come to the third method. The question is Pushpa, Pratibha, Bhavna are partners of a partnership firm. They decide to change their profit and loss sharing ratio from 3 is to 2 is to 1 to 1 is to 1 is to 1. Therefore, they decide to make the valuation of goodwill on the basis of partnership firm profit and other information determine the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years of super profit. See, super profit is given. What we have to calculate, we have to find out. First, asset is given, liability is given, expected rate of return is 10%. See student, in the previous sum there were only year and profit given. So we have to calculate either simple average profit or weighted average profit. How to calculate simple profit? We have to total all the profits and divide the number of years. 1, 2, 3. We have to divide by 3. How to know that it is average profit or weighted average profit? Here see the number is given. Profit is given 80,000. Then a smaller number. Then a bigger number. So it keeps on increasing or decreasing. Increasing or decreasing words are there. See 80,000, then 70,000, a bigger number, then a smaller number. Then we have to calculate average profit. 80,000 बड़ा नंबर है, उसके बाद अचानक छोटा नंबर आ जाता है. तो आपको पहले कहा था मैंने कि क्या कैलकुलेट करना है जब छोटा नंबर आ जाए, तो एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करना है. अगर जो 80, 90, 1 लाख, 2 लाख, 3 लाख, 4 लाख होता तो क्या कैलकुलेट करते? वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करते. जब एसेट लायबिलिटी एक्सपेक्टेड रेट ऑफ रिटर्न दिया हो तो हम लोग को करना है स्टेटमेंट शोइंग कॉम्पिटिशन ऑफ गुडविल. दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग कि बोर्ड वाले ये पूछ सकते हैं 4 मार्क में. जब एसेट लायबिलिटी एक्सपेक्टेड रेट ऑफ रिटर्न दिया हो तब हम लोग को क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? स्टेटमेंट शोइंग कॉम्पिटिशन ऑफ गुडविल. अब ये इसको करना कैसे है? सबसे पहले स्टेप नंबर करना है, पर्टिकुलर करना है, अमाउंट करना है. ये 3 कॉलम बना लेना है. कोई भी चीज़ में अगर जो एसेट्स लायबिलिटी एक्सपेक्टेड रेट ऑफ रिटर्न दिया हो, ऐसा कुछ दिया हो, तो हम लोग को क्या बनाना है? स्टेटमेंट शोइंग कॉम्पिटिशन ऑफ गुडविल. स्टेप नंबर लिख लेना है, पर्टिकुलर लिख लेना है, अमाउंट लिख लेना है. सबसे फर्स्ट स्टेप कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. हमारे हाथ में अगर जो कैपिटल होगा नहीं तो बिजनेस चलेगा नहीं. कैपिटल कैसे करते हैं? एसेट्स माइनस लायबिलिटी. टोटल एसेट्स दिया हुआ है 6 लाख, लायबिलिटी दिया हुआ है 2.5 लाख. तो 6 lakhs minus 2 lakh 50,000, that is 3 lakh 50,000. Sometime the capital employed is given directly. If the capital employed is not given, you will get assets and liability. You will be given assets and liability. By deducting both of this, we will get the final capital. That is called capital employed. The second point is that expected rate of return. What is expected rate of return? 10%. So expected rate of return is 10%. Student, remember always C, that is capital employed, you have to find in the beginning. Then you have to come to expected rate of return, that is 10%. Then expected rate of return is done, capital employed is done. So both are interconnected with each other to gain the third point. Third point is expected profit. What is expected profit formula? Capital employed into expected rate of return. So capital employed into expected rate of return. So what is capital employed? 3,50,000. What is rate of return? 10%. So 3,50,000 into 10%. So you will get 35,000. Remember student, let's repeat once again. capital employed, how we will get total minus total assets minus total liabilities. So you will get 6 lakhs minus 2 lakh 50,000, that is 3 lakh 50,000. The second is expected rate of return. What is expected rate of return given? 10%. 10% is given. So what you will do, 10% is here, you will write down on the amount column. Then the third one is expected profit. The sequence will not change, student, it will remain same. So that is capital employed into expected rate of return. So capital employed is 3,50,000, and what is expected rate of return? That is 10%. So 3,50,000 into 10%, that is 35,000. The fourth step you can realize from here, 80,000, 70,000. The smaller number is there. You have to calculate average profit. Average profit you have to calculate. How to calculate? Write out the year from here. 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17. Then you have to write down the profit. Total the profit. The total will come 2,40,000. Then what is the formula? Previously we have done average profit upon total profit upon number of years. What is total profit? That is 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 divided by number of years. Here number of years is not given. Only 3 years purchase is given. 3 years purchase of super profit is given. The year we have to find out from here. 1, 2 and 3. We have to divide by 3. The answer will come 80,000. 80,000. The answer will come 80,000. Okay. First one is capital employed, then expected rate of return, then expected profit. Both expected you have to remember. Then average profit. The next point you will gain is super profit. What is super profit formula? Super profit is equal to average profit minus expected profit. See the comparison. See the comparison. Average profit में से expected profit minus कर रहे हैं, तो दोनों सब एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है. जब तक आंसर सबका नहीं आ जाता आपका आंसर आने वाला नहीं है. सुपर प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू एवरेज प्रॉफिट माइनस एक्सपेक्टेड प्रॉफिट. व्हाट इज सुपर प्रॉफिट? 80,000. So 80,000 is written here. What is expected profit? Expected profit is 35,000. See expected profit. What is expected profit? 35,000. So you have to deduct both of them. So 80,000 minus 35,000. What you will get? 45,000. You have to write it here. In the last thing you will have to calculate goodwill. Goodwill. So goodwill, what is the formula? Now the goodwill, previously the formula was average profit into number of years, or weighted average profit into number of years. Now we have to find out both the sums are interconnected with each other. Fifth point is connected with sixth point. All the points are interrelated with each other. The super profit is equal to what you will get? Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years. What is super profit? 45,000. 45,000 आ गया. What is number of years given? यहाँ पर number of years दिया हुआ है. 3 years of super profit. तो 3 years इंटू करना है, तो नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स ऑफ परचेस हो जाएगा 45,000 इंटू 3, दैट इज 1,35,000. तो आंसर आ जाएगा 1,35,000. दीज आर द 6 स्टेप व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन द कॉम्पिटिशन ऑफ गुडविल. Again I repeat, first one is capital employed, second one is expected rate of return, third one is expected profit, fourth one is average profit, then fifth one is super profit, then goodwill. Goodwill you don't have to remember, but goodwill you have to do it last only. But what are the changes? Capital employed is given, expected rate of return is given, expected profit is given, average profit is given, then it is super profit, then goodwill. The another sum, what is the changes is that here you have to find out weighted average profit. He will give you here that what is the main thing what you have to calculate. We have to see, I have shown the method how to know that it is weighted profit, how to know it is average profit. If it is in increasing order, it is called weighted average profit. It is in mixed manner, sometime it is big number or sometime the profit is less, then you have to calculate average profit. Let's see one another sum, what it says. The another sum is given here. From the following information of Nairutwa and Ruthvik's firm, determine the value of goodwill of partnership firm on the basis of capitalization weighted average profit method. Already the weights are given. You have to calculate by capitalization of weighted average profit method. Here the year is given, you can see the year here, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17 is given. Then profit is given in the increasing order. See the student, see the difference. The increasing order is given 45,000, 50,000, 65,000, 75,000, 90,000. Additional information is given. It is very simple. Asset is given, a liability is given, then normal expected rate of return is given 10%. So what I have said, what Faisal sir has said, if assets and liabilities are given, you will get capital employed. So first you have to draw the statement showing competition of goodwill. Step number, particular and amount. First of all, what is the first step? That is capital employed. So how you will get capital employed? That is assets minus liabilities. So assets minus liability you have to do. So what you will get? Net asset capital employed you will get 4,30,000. Then what is expected rate of return? That is 10%. So expected rate of return what you have to write? 10%. It is same only, बस व्हाट इज द चेंज कि यहाँ पर वेट बढ़ रहा है तो वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करेंगे, एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप स्टूडेंट्स? अब हमारा एक्सपेक्टेड रेट ऑफ रिटर्न तो हो गया. जब भी आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट, तो एक्सपेक्टेड प्रॉफिट से उम्मीद मत रखना. एक्सपेक्टेड प्रॉफिट फाइंड नहीं होगा, कैपिटलाइज प्रॉफिट फाइंड होगा. यही डिफरेंस है वेटेड एवरेज और एवरेज में. यही डिफरेंस है कि हम लोग को कैपिटलाइज प्रॉफिट पूछा है तो आपको कैपिटलाइज का फॉर्मूला डालना पड़ेगा. इतना